as we take a look at technological advancements in healthcare. We talk about robots again, and we talk about 3D printers, which is really amazing what they are doing in the health industry. And Jack is here with me again. Hi, Jack.
Hey, Brandon. Thanks, everyone.
So, Jack, we are talking about technology and health, but I want to ask you, what has been one of the most helpful technological advancements for you personally?
Oh, well, I mean, definitely laptops, the smartphone. Actually, one of my favorites is my earbuds. It might seem they're like those little headphones that go in your ears.
The Bluetooth ones?
I actually have ones with a wire, but the technology on the sound, like with these earbuds, I can't hear anything outside.
Wow.
And then the music that I listen to, because I love music, is so crystal clear. That's one technology that I'm in love with.
Nice. Yeah, that makes a big difference, right?
Yeah.
The advancement in that and the sound, it really can make a big impact. All right. So what is your reaction, Jack, to the medical advancements we see in this month's technology article?
I love it. I think technology is one, like the medical area is one area that can be really helped by technology, and they've done amazing things like introducing, I remember when they were coming up with the new like robotically assisted surgery type things, the very microscopic surgery. So this is awesome. I mean, caretakers have always had this problem of lifting heavy weights, and soon enough their own bodies need help because they are carrying such heavy loads. And I think as long as these kind of like robotic exoskeletons can be safely designed with lots of safety measures, then great. I think it's a great help.
That's right. And we also talk about the 3D printing of models for organs, and it helped this little girl. And so that's amazing that they can make 3D printings of organs in your body, and that can kind of, I guess, help the surgeons do a bit of research before they actually go in and do the work.
Totally. I know it must feel like a huge relief to them to be able to try to look around and see what needs to be done before they actually open someone up.
Yes.
Yeah,
incredible. All right, Jack, are we depending on technology too much, though? We're talking about technology a lot. Are we, as a society, depending on that too much?
I think like many things in our lives, it requires balance. And I think there's technology is very easy to depend on too much. I personally, like a while ago, I stopped, I don't keep any notifications on my phone. They don't go off or anything. And that gives me a lot of peace. I know sometimes people have this compulsive need, like as soon as they feel and they start hearing the ring, even when it doesn't ring. And that can be, I think, a little bit too much.
Right.
But as long as we keep it at the right in the right place, then I think it's okay.
Yeah, just have to be disciplined, right? That's easier for some than others, and so we have to watch out for that. Well, thanks for joining us for another segment of Insights, and be sure to check out all our insights this month and pick up a copy of Advanced Magazine if you haven't already done so.